I have released a few videos showing you how you can fly the drone manually and get something that is close to active track. And the fun part is that you can actually use one of the quick shot modes that is provided with the drone to make something that resembles active track. At least it will show that the drone is capable of doing tracking, and this is something that I'm going to demonstrate today on my electric unicycle. Welcome to another video. I'm Henrik Olsen, and if you want to learn how to make better videos with your camera and drone in general, then consider subscribing to my weekly tips, tests and tutorials. And the first thing that we're going to do here is we're going to position myself here on the unicycle, and then I'm gonna move the drone here to a position so it's basically positioned in line with me, like this. And then I'm gonna stop the video here and go into quick shot modes, and in this case we want to select the circle, and it's already picked me as the target. Let's just put a little bit further away here, a little bit up here, and maybe a little bit to the back here. So what we're going to do now is we're gonna start the quick shot here. No, it's not the drone, we want the circle. So what we want to make sure is that the drone turns in this direction around me, because then it's basically not capable of catching up when it's turning around, and DJI needs to sort of compensate for that, and that will give us some sort of a tracking capability. So let's just put it like this, press start. So now the drone will start to do the circle. And I will slowly start to ride the unicycle. And because it can't get ahead of me, it's actually compensating and it's tracking along. So let's try and repeat it from the other side here. And maybe a little bit further away and try and time it a little bit better. So, in this case we needed to turn the other way around. So we select me first, and then the other way around. And I think I want to position it a little bit here towards the back. So now we press start, 3, 2, 1, go. Got to give it a little chance here, but you see, it's actually tracking very nicely along, because it can't get in front of me. So it's forced to track me. So when I stop here, it will make a nice sweep in front of me, which was the original intent of the quick shot circle mode. So that's a nice way to end the video. So now it's doing its thing. So this was just a simple hack or workaround that will allow you to use some of the stuff that you already got with the drone to make something that is similar to active track. It's clear that it's of course not as predictable as the real active track functions, but at least I have proven that the drone tracks and calculate and compensates the route when you are using the circle mode in quick shots in the right way. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give it a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you around.